Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today I'll show you how I fixed the unresponsive settings menu or black screen on the settings menu while I just installed the iPadOS 18.3 on this 7th generation iPad last day. Okay, and some of my users had shown interest that what happened next and how, whether it was fixed, how did I fix, etc, etc. Some questions was asked. So firstly, thank you to these viewers, followers, that they have shown interest on my video. Okay, so for them only I am now showing the what I did to fix this particular issue of settings black screen or unresponsive screen over there. Okay, so first I have to open it, unlock it. Okay, so I will provide the passcode over here. Okay, so the passcode has been entered. Now I'll show you that on pressing the general menu, sorry, the settings menu, it is loading just like the previous one and there is no issues. Okay, so see here, I am pressing and it is opening. Okay, so I am killing the process. Again, settings, loading, no issues. Okay, now this was not opening last day while I just installed the 18.3 iPadOS 18.3 on this particular iPad. Okay, so what the trick I used over here to fix that particular problem is that a very general trick I have used. Okay, so while I was installing, I did not notice that the iPad storage was almost full. Okay, and that time it was just 500 MB left, and most probably for that reason that particular issue of unresponsive screen or unresponsive settings, black screen appearance, etc, etc, the problem was happening in the last video. But after removing some videos and photos which were inside in the memory of this iPad, I removed these particular heavy videos and photos, and now see the storage is still left at 8.78 GB. Okay, so after removing these photos and videos, this particular problem has been resolved. Okay, so as per my troubleshooting knowledge, I have used that particular trick to remove some of the photos and videos and made some free space on this particular iPad storage, and the issue has been resolved. So I have applied just a small trick and the trick has worked as per my knowledge, and it is working fine right now and there is no issues. Okay, so that is the trick I have applied. So thank you guys, thank you very much, thank you once again, thank you for your interest. How did I solve or whether it was solved, and it is now resolved. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time, thank you, bye.